Namaste everyone, myself Sanvi Khandekar.
Myself, Riddhi Chittar. Today, the election took place in our school, and the enthusiasm is very high. All of them are eagerly waiting for the results. So, let us take the interview of all the students about the exit poll.
So now we are going to various classes to ask the voters, the candidates and the governors regarding their opinions about the election results. So did you cast your vote in the elections?
Yes, I did.
Whom do you think will win, has the most chances of winning according to you?
I guess it's boys, as there are many boys there, and girls are not less either.
Which party are you from?
I belong to RSC party.
Why do you support RSC party?
I was motivated and I also liked their agendas which they mentioned. So,
What are your agendas for your class?
yeah, they mentioned about various things like to be disciplined and to maintain the balance. So that's the main point I like.
Do you think that you are really eligible for being the CM of your class?
Yeah, also I have the past experience of 2 years, so I think I can understand the problems.
So, all the best for your elections.
So we are here to conduct the exit polling for today's election. So we wanted to know all the opinions from your class that among the candidates for CM, who would win according to you? So I'd like to ask you.
Malhar or Arnav Ansali may win.
Why do you think so?
Because like last year also Arnav Ansali was the CM, and for 6th and 7th Malhar was the CM. So it's most probable that one of them would win.
Okay, thank you. Welcome. So now I would like to ask you, do you think the candidates she mentioned are really eligible to win?
Yes,
And why do you think so?
because the small children wherever we go are telling that vote for RSC only.
Okay, so your party is RSC.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now I'd like to ask you, you are also one of the candidates, right? So whom do you think is your biggest competitor among all the else candidates?
I think that Arnav Pansali and Mallar are my biggest competition in the mentioned candidates out of them, because from last 3 years they have only been the CM and they have performed well, so I think they are a great competition for me.
Okay, thank you.
Why do you think that you will win, and which party do you belong to?
I belong to Fire Party as I eligible. I don't know. This is the first time I am standing for the CM position. So I think I am eligible to handle this class, and that's it.
Okay, what are your agendas?
As this class is reputed for doing many mustis, so I think I am going to handle this class. And
All the best for your elections.
So ma'am, you are the governor of the class and this class belongs to the Fire Party. And there are, I guess, 3 to 4 candidates for the CM nominations. So whom do you think is the perfect candidate to win?
See, I cannot say the fixed one who is the perfect. Okay, it's completely wrong from my side if I will choose anyone. But I think if you are asking me that I should need to be select anyone, then I will suggest to Ria. Ria deserves this position because she can handle well. And there are many other students as well. They have not applied for that particular position. But I think whoever has applied, the Ria is a good person for this post.
Okay, thank you. So Ria is also the president of the party, right?
Yes, correct.
So I'm asking the current CM candidates, among them whom do you think will win? Like Swarit is there, they always speaking about.
There is a good one, I think so, and he can handle as well the position because they have the different type of leadership in them, so that according to their leadership quality, he is the perfect one.
Okay, thank you. So we are here to conduct the exit polling for today's election. So we wanted to interview all the voters about your opinions that who will be the CM. So now I'll be asking you, among all the candidates of the CM, whom would you think is the best or who has the most chances to win? For CM.
Now I can't say anything, but I guess Darshan would be there
Why Darshan?
because many votes will be there for him.
So you think he will win with majority?
Yes,
Okay. So your class belongs to which party?
Swag.
Or there are different parties?
Different parties.
So which?
Swag.
Girls is swag and boys is RS. Boss. Okay. So who is the president of BOSS? So you are the president for the party, right? So who is been nominated from your class for the CM elections?
Darshan Gowda is nominated from my party to become the CM of the class.
So what are your agendas regarding it?
I think our agenda is to try something different this year, to do something different than the last year.
Okay, thank you.
You are the president of your party, so please let us know what the agendas you have.
Actually, I have many agendas, but one of the main ones is that many girls find the skirt uncomfortable, which I am willing to change if I am elected, and I will try to allow analog watches for higher classes like 9th and 10th. I will try and give good Bollywood songs for this annual day, as many don't like the songs the school picks for us. And yeah, there are many more, a long list.
So in your class, most of the students may be in your party. So who do you think is the most eligible for winning the elections of CM from your class?
From my party, Sai is standing for the CM elections. I think she is eligible. She is a good leader and she has the, what do you call that? The things a good leader needs to have. She's good.
Thank you so much.
So ma'am, as the class is divided into two parties, the girls one is swag and the boys they have BOSS. So according to you, which is the better party?
According to me, I think BOSS is the better party because I think it is comprises of boys only, and in the girls party I think swag in there also boys and girls together they have made that coalition of the party. So as per my opinion, BOSS is the better party.
Okay, and from this class for CM there are two candidates, Sai and Darshan. So as you have been teaching this class, what do you think who is the most eligible?
Sai.
Okay, thank you.
Now we will ask the candidates of 3rd B what they think who will win and their agendas. So let us ask him. What is your name?
My name is Moria Tarale from 3rd B.
Okay, you are the candidate for CM in your class. So which party do you belong to?
I will vote for RSC.
Okay, can you tell us some agendas that you will bring changes in your class after being the CM?
I will mind the class and I will help the teacher.
Thank you. You are the candidate of your class for CM position. So which party do you belong to?
I was vote RSC.
Okay, so what are your agendas?
Agenda. I will mind the class. I will help the student to complete the homework.
Okay, so thank you. Now I would like to ask you, what is your name?
My name is Meera.
So you are the CM candidate for your class, right?
Yes.
So which party do you belong to?
I belong to Fire Party.
Okay, what are your agendas for your class if you became the CM of your state?
I will help the students of my class. I will also help the teacher.
Thank you.
So ma'am, this is the class 3rd B, State Chhattisgarh, and according to us, the most of the candidates are standing from this class.
Right.
It's 21 candidates.
Right, it's 21 from my class.
So according to you, whom do you think is the most eligible to choose from, like one girl and one boy? Who is the most capable?
Though who will capable, they will win definitely.
Okay, thank you.
So today election took place, right? Yes. Whom do you think will win the election? Thank you.
So now we'll be taking the exit polling and we'll be asking the voters that according to them who will win. So I'd like to ask you, among all the candidates, who do you think will win the elections?
I think Daksh will win the elections because he is better in studies and he will help me all.
Okay.
Whom do you think will win your elections?
Daksh.
Why do you think so?
He is good in studies, that's why.
Any other reason?
No.
Okay. And whom do you think?
Arya.
Why?
Because she's handwriting is good, she's notes also is completed.
Okay.
So we are here to take the exit polling and we'll be asking the voters regarding their opinions. So I'd like to ask you, among all the candidates for CM, whom would you think is the most eligible? Who will win?
Hiten Patil.
Why Hiten Patil? He was the CM for last year as well, right?
Last 2 years.
Okay, so last 2 years, that's why you think he is the most eligible. Okay. Now I would like to ask you, is there any candidate from girls?
No.
So among boys, whom would you think will win? Hiten. So you also Hiten. Where is Hiten? So you are the CM for last 2 years and this will be your third year if you will win.
Yes.
So what are your agendas that made all the students support you?
I would like to fulfill all the demands that are given from my class, and I will also try to fulfill my promises that I have given before.
Okay, so and from which party are you contesting the elections?
RSC.
Okay.
Namaste ma'am, you are class teacher of 9C and there are various students who are being candidate for the CM elections. So who do you think is more eligible for being the CM of your...
Personally speaking, I don't want to take anybody's name. And when we are talking about the candidates, okay, not only the studies but the overall qualities are important. Okay, the behavior, the discipline, study of course, it's a part of a discipline only, and overall. So according to me, the one who is perfect in all these things or nearby to the perfect can be more appropriate candidate.
Which party is your class supporting to?
Not a specific one. Many are there who are supporting the various parties. So it's their own opinion, their own choice.
And what do you think, which party is more eligible out of all the 5 parties we have to win the elections?
See, party is just a name, but in that which group is working, that is important. What the group is doing for the student, what the president is doing for the student, the would-be PM of that party, what he's supposed to be, having the qualities, all matters. So definitely, right now it's not possible for me to take any particular party's name.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now we'll be taking the exit polling and I would like to ask you that among all the candidates for CM, whom would you think is the most eligible or who would win?
I think Adi would win because he has the most number of votes.
Okay, and which party is your class supporting?
Most of them are supporting Ram Sena and 2 of them are supporting Fire.
Okay. Now I'd like to ask you, among all the candidates, whom would you think will win?
Darshan Modi.
Why?
Because we all think that he do not do discrimination among all. He only support discipline and he will give rules in our favor.
Okay, so who are the 2 candidates which both of them spoke about? Adi. Darshan. Okay. So do you think that are you really a eligible candidate?
Yeah.
And what are your agendas?
First of all, I'll stop the difference between boys and girls, like no arguments between them. Then I'll keep my class in discipline.
So which party do you think will win this election? And which candidate from your class?
So मैम आप 8 के क्लास टीचर हो एंड वहाँ से भी काफ़ी लोग इलेक्शंस लड़ रहे हैं, बट जो 2 प्रोमिनेंट नाम आए हैं वो है आदि और दर्शन. तो आपको क्या लगता है दोनों में से कौन ज़्यादा एलिजिबल है?
वैसे तो देखो सारे हैं एलिजिबल, बट मेरा जो मानना है कि एक लीडर में सब कुछ होना चाहिए, राइट? अगर आप स्टूडेंट हो तो आप डिसिप्लिन होने चाहिए, है ना? तो आई थिंक तनिषा एंड सानिध्य दे आर मोर एलिजिबल फॉर दैट because they are good in academic also and sports, जो एक leadership quality होती है, तनिषा is also having that quality, दिव्या also, right? आदि में कैसा है, वो थोड़ा उसका इंग्लिश अच्छा है, थोड़ा सा स्पोकन अच्छा है और कॉन्फिडेंस है, ठीक है. और दर्शन का क्या है, वो स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा है, काफ़ी अच्छा करता है, बट उतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है दर्शन में, राइट? तो मेरे ख्याल से एकेडमिक प्लस डिसिप्लिन प्लस आपका स्पोर्ट्स, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस, आप कैसे लोगों से बात करते हो, ये सारी चीज़ें मैटर करती हैं. तो एक लीडर होना चाहिए.
क्लास ने बोला कि आदि और दर्शन और आपका ओपिनियन पूरा अलग है कि इट शुड बी तनिषा और सानिध्य.
तनिषा और सानिध्य में और दिव्या ऑल्सो.
ओके, थैंक यू.
तो आप इस क्लास के स्टूडेंट हो, आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी क्लास से CM इलेक्शन कौन जीतेगा?
मुझे लगता है रुद्र ही है, सब उसके लिए रूट कर रहे हैं.
क्यों? उसमें क्या लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़ आपको लगती है?
वो एक तो सबका फेवरेट है, वो स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा है और उसकी आवाज़ बड़ी है तो फिर वो क्लास को मैनेज कर सकता है सिंपली ऐसे ही.
सिर्फ यही रीजंस है और कुछ नहीं?
नहीं.
थैंक यू. अब मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, आपको क्या लगता है कि कौन जीत सकता है?
वैसे तो मैंने त्रिशा को वोट किया लेकिन जीतेगा आई थिंक रुद्र.
क्यों?
कि आई डोंट नो एनी पर्सनैलिटी अबाउट हिम.
ओके, यू आर अ कैंडिडेट, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी पार्टी जीत सकेगी?
जीत भी सकती है अगर रुद्र को गलती से टिप पॉइंट पे जाके भी जीत सकती है, मिस्टेकली नहीं बोल सकती, लेकिन अगर रुद्र को गलती से कम वोट आ गए और सेकंड नंबर पे शायद में हुई तो जीत भी सकती है।
आप कौन से पार्टी से हो?
रामसेना।
ओके, और आपके एजेंडाज क्या है? अगर आप सीएम बनते हो तो आप अपने क्लास के लिए क्या करोगे?
जो प्रॉब्लम्स क्लास के लिए है तो मैं वो सॉल्व करना चाहूँगी, और जो हमारे क्लास में प्रोजेक्टर, बोर्ड्स या माइक वो मुझे ठीक करने चाहूँगी। अगर कोई बेंचेस ठीक नहीं तो जिसको प्रॉब्लम है तो वो सॉल्व करना चाहूँगी।
थैंक यू सो मच।
तो मैम हमारे स्कूल में 5 पार्टीज इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करी है, बॉस, रामसेना, फायर, RSC एंड एक्सेट्रा। सो आपको क्या लगता है कि विच पार्टी इज़ द मोस्ट एलिजिबल टू विन, जिनके एजेंडाज वगैरह सब अच्छा है?
After looking at your agendas, I feel that RSC is very good. Maybe it will be winner. Thank you.
So elections were conducted today, so all of you voted in it, right? So which party do you think will win the election?
तो सर इलेक्शन के लिए हमारे स्कूल में 5 पार्टीज फॉर्म हुई है, और अगर आप एक वोटर होते तो आपका वोट कौन सी पार्टी को जाता?
देखिए, मैं तो वैसे भी रियलिस्टिक वोटर हूँ, हर साल वोट करता हूँ अलग अलग इलेक्शन में, 5 साल में लोकसभा सब में वोट करते हुए उसी पार्टी को वोट करना चाहिए जो अननेसेसरी कोई भी चीज़ें फ्री में नहीं दे रही हो, साथ ही साथ रियलिस्टिक जिनका एजेंडा है, ना कि ऐसे कुछ कमिटमेंट से जो रियलिस्टिक नहीं है, अगर ऑन ग्राउंड नहीं आ सकते, तो वोट उसी पार्टी को मैं दूंगा, या सबसे कह सकता हूँ कि उसी पार्टी को देना जो रियलिस्टिक कमिटमेंट्स करते हैं और साथ ही साथ जो फ्रीबीज के पीछे नहीं जाते।
ओके, थैंक यू।
तो सर आपने नेशनल इंटीग्रिटी प्रोग्राम को स्टार्ट किया है, तो आप उसको कैसे एक्सपांड कर रहे हो?
लेकिन नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन प्रोग्राम जो है ये आपके जो एकेडमिक सब्जेक्ट है उसके साथ मैप्ड है। जैसा अभी हाल में सभी बच्चों ने देखा है कि 9th के जिन बच्चों को मैंने पार्टीज फॉर्म करने के लिए बोला, तो सिविक सब्जेक्ट के कम से कम 3 चैप्टर जो है उनके कवर हो गए। और जब शुरुआत की थी तो सिर्फ पूरे 150 बच्चों में से लगभग सिर्फ 13 स्टूडेंट थे जिन्होंने बोला सिविक में इंटरेस्ट है, और वहीं पर एक ही पीरियड के अंदर में ऐसा हो गया कि लगभग 80 से 100 बच्चे खड़े हो गए, और सबको मेरा कंडीशन था कि आपको चैप्टर भी रीड करना है। अभी बच्चों ने आकर जब मैं पूछा तो उन्होंने चैप्टर की कंटेंट एक्सप्लेन किए मुझे, जबकि पढ़े नहीं। सो नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन प्रोग्राम जो है ये सिविक सब्जेक्ट, हिस्ट्री, साथ ही साथ फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी को मैंने इसके साथ जोड़ा है। तो जैसे मैंने बताया कि अभी हम लोग स्टूडेंट वेलफेयर अकाउंट निकाले हैं, साथ ही साथ पार्टी मेंबरशिप मैंने बताया है।
थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
So you saw the exit poll, how energetic the students and teachers and whole the school was.
So stay tuned and we'll soon be back with the election results updates as well. Till then,
Keep watching School Tak News channel. Thank you.